guys, welcome to Learning Support Center Art at Home. My first task for you guys at home is to go for a walk outside, and I want you to pick a leaf or a flower and bring it home. So it might be a good idea to bring scissors with you. It can be a big leaf, a small leaf, it can be any kind of part of a plant, even the fruit. When you bring home the leaf or flower, I want you to take 5 different photos of it on your iPad or with a phone. But I don't want them to be 5 of the same. I want you to turn the phone or iPad in different directions in your house. And notice how differently the pictures look. When you take a picture of something, the camera is recording the light. So when you turn it different directions, it's going to look different in the camera. I want you to upload your 5 different photos to the Facebook.